Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the new PlayStation Portal here. This just got dropped off just a little bit ago. I haven't yet really dug into it, so we're gonna unbox it together here and take a look at everything that comes with it, get a closer look at the unit itself. I think I slid it out of here, but technically it comes with that side. So inside the box, we've got a cord on the top half here. Let's take a look at that. Just one cord, looks like a USB-C, two USB-C, so that's good to know. We've got the handheld itself. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Look at that there. Pretty nice size. About the size of my Steam Deck. The controllers are really nice. It feels like a PS5 controller, obviously made by the same people, but it just for description's sake, it feels just like a PS5 controller. But the joysticks are just a hair smaller, I think. But you've got buttons there, pretty slim. See, nice, not too heavy, but not too light either. Go ahead and pull this off. Nice big screen. Really nice unit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this hooked up. I'm gonna get it all hooked up to my PS5, and then I will come right back with you after to show you what the screen looks like and all of that. So I'll be right back with you. All right, so here I'm back. I got it all set up. So far, it's really pretty cool. It was very easy to connect to my PS5. It started up, it had a QR code that I had to scan with my phone, and I logged into my online account. And then it just found my PS5, assuming through Wi-Fi, because it was connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You of course have to turn on remote play on your PS5, but once you do, it's completely connected. And it's like having a PS5 and a TV in your hand. Everything it can do, everything you can do there, you can do here. And it's pretty fast. I noticed that during times my Wi-Fi, if it's just lagging a little bit, it will lag itself. You'll actually see it sputter, but that's Wi-Fi related. I'm gonna show you, you can see I'm playing the new Spider-Man here. Like, the graphics are really good. Everything, it's got speakers too, so it's got its own sound, but I noticed that you can actually hook it up to the Sony PlayStation headphones too. So I might look into those, but so far, I mean, it's really quite fun. It's all touchscreen too, so you can do that. I'll see if I can hit the PlayStation button. You can see it's just like a regular home screen on your TV. So very cool. I think this is going to be a fun gift idea this year for Christmas, and I think it works really well. I can't believe it's at the price point it is too. So check this out if you're interested. I highly recommend it.